This is a transportation problem. So in the miscellaneous it says question number 6 and as well as 7 also. Yes, transportation problem only. 6 I will explain to you, 7 you can do it. So the remaining all the models are very simple here. So there are two godons A and B have the grain capacity of 100 quintals and 50 quintals respectively. Means godon A is 100 quintals capacity is there and godon B is 50 quintals of the capacity is there. They supply to the three ration shops. Three rations A to D जाएगा, A to E जाएगा, A to F जाएगा. ये godon से. So requirements are whose requirements means godon ration shop D का requirement 60 quintals. ये पूरा 60 होना है. ये D पूरा 60. Okay, this is the thing, and 50 for the E and 40 for the F. The cost of the transportation per the quintal, for 1 quintal the cost is given to you in the table format. It is given to you, and he should supply. How should the supply be transported in order to transportation cost minimum transportation cost होना है. So in this case, cost minimum hona hai. So what should be taken here? Actually, if you consider that from the godon to A godon to D godon, let us assume as a X quintals are going. So 6x is the cost, and A to E, Y quintals are going. So then if here x क्विंटल वो जा रहा है, इधर y क्विंटल्स जा रहा है, then f को कितना जाएगा? टोटल 100, टोटल कैपेसिटी इज 100. सपोज इधर 10 क्विंटल्स गया है, इधर 20 क्विंटल्स गया है. So 20 and here 10 quintals, here 20 quintals, assume कर लो just 30. So remaining 70 should be sent to the f. The capacity, whatever it is there, that should be equally, they have to divide. 50 quintals in the same way. Here 50 quintals is given for the godon B. So that this problem, whenever you are taking question samajhna hai first, you try to understand the question so that then easily you can go for that solution. So I will explain for the solution to you now. Just see the solution here. Whenever you are taking into consider godon godon A supplies x quintals and y quintals to the. Okay, first let me draw the picture of the miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 12, question number 6. So the question is given to you: transportation cost from the two godons A and B. A and B are the godons, and D, E, F are the shops. Ration shops. A to D, the cost is given to you 6, and here 3. Here 2 rupees 50 paise per quintal, and here 4 rupees, and here 2 rupees, and here 3 rupees per quintal from the B godon to DEF ration shops. So let us assume that this godon A supplies to here, A to here, x quintals supply करेगा, and A to D x quintals and A to E y quintals, let us assume. Then automatically it will supply the 100 minus of x plus y, as the capacity of the godon A is 100 given to you. So it will supply to the F 100 minus x plus y. Okay, and the requirement of the shop D is 60 quintals. शॉप डी को 60 क्विंटल्स ही चाहिए. सो इधर x क्विंटल्स आया है, तो इधर कितना आएगा? 60 minus x. इसमें 60 minus x आएगा. In this 60 minus x quintals should get, and here the y quintals you got it, but E capacity is, E requirement is, shop E का requirement कितना है? Its requirement is 50 quintals. So 50 minus y here are. Next here 40 quintals. 40 minus this one. Here x quintals are है, here y quintals are है, इधर 10 100 minus x plus y quintals are है. तो the capacity is requirement of D का requirement कितना है 60 है. तो इधर x आया तो इधर compulsory 60 minus x quintals of the whatever the they are supplying, okay, grains, whatever the grains they are supplying, that should be given. So here 60 minus x, here 50 minus 1, here 40 minus of this one, 40 minus of 100 minus x plus y in the brackets. ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूज होता होगा. If you want to represent that, transport कर रहे हैं ना एक प्लेस से दूसरा प्लेस से. So if you want to represent in a diagrammatical form, एक diagrammatical form में represent. ये शॉप ये consider person, go down X, इधर D, E, F, and here B go down. इसका 100 क्विंटल्स इसके पास है. इसके पास कितना है? 50 क्विंटल्स आ रहे हैं. And here requirement is here 60 requirement, here 50 requirement, here 40 requirement. So इधर से इधर x क्विंटल्स आ रहे हैं, the cost is 6 rupees. इधर से इधर y quintals are the cost per the quintal is 3 rupees. We are considering y quintals are coming. Okay, and from go down A to here 100 minus x plus y quintals are there. The cost per the quintal is 2.5 rupees per quintal. And here from this go down to shop D, x quintals इधर आ गया है, so remaining 60 is needed. 60 minus x, the cost is here 4 rupees. The cost is 4 rupees. From here to here, इसको कितना है? 50 है. So 50 minus y. इसको 50 चाहिए, 50 quintals. Y quintals इधर से आ रहा है, so the remaining 50 minus y इधर से जा रहा है. So the cost is 2 rupees. Okay, next from here to here जाए, here to here. So what you are going to get here? Already इतना quantity इधर आया है. So remaining quantity you need 40 minus 100 minus of x plus y. So what do you get here? This one x plus y minus 60 you are going to get. X plus y minus 60. The cost is 3 rupees here. Okay, if you see here, these all the things whenever you observe that every quantity should be in a positive way. Every quantity should be positive. So x whatever we are getting should be positive. So x greater than or equal to 0 होना है, y greater than or equal to 0 होना है. And ये 100 minus x plus y, x greater than 0, y greater than 0, 100 minus x plus y should be greater than 0. Isn't it? It should be also greater than 0 now. So what do you get from this? X plus y is less than or equals to 100 you are going to get. And 60 minus x should be greater than 0. 60 minus x also greater than 0 होना है. So from this x, what you get here? X is less than or equal to 60 you are going to get. And 50 minus y should be greater than 0 होना है. Greater than or equal to 0 होना है. So from this y should be less than or equals to 50 you are going to get it. And x plus y should be minus 60. X plus y minus 60 should be greater than 0 and x plus y greater than or equal to ये 1 greater than 0 हो जाएगा. Remaining all the equations less than 1. And total cost of the transportation. Wait for that. Total cost of the transportation. Total cost बोले तो इधर से इधर x क्विंटल आ रहे, each cost to 6 into x, 3 into y. and 2.5 into this one. 2.5 into 100 minus x plus y. Simplify करना. And next 4 rupees into 60 minus x. And 2 rupees into 50 minus y. And 3 rupees into x plus y minus 60. इसको completely simplify करना. Then you are going to get an objective function. Objective function. And the constraints are these are the constraints. Only in this problem, framing the constraints is difficult to do. Otherwise, the remaining simple, you are going to get it. Did you understand here? If you want here, you can observe one thing here. A problem is, ये x plus y 60 है ना? This you can get it in another way also. How? इधर देखो, इसका कैपेसिटी कितना है? It can send us 50 kgs, 50 quintals, sorry, 50 quintals. Here 60 minus x sent it earlier. Here 50 minus y sent it earlier. So 50 minus whatever they sent, remaining should be sent here. 50 minus 60 minus x plus 50 minus y. You do it. What do you get here? 50 minus 110 minus half x plus y. 50 minus 110 plus x plus y. So x plus y minus 60. You will get this x plus y minus 60 from here onwards. You will get R20 from 40. 40 is a is practical. Like this. Also you will get the same. In both the directions same. So maximum you got the objective function. Objective function कैसे आएगा? Objective function आना है तो 6 plus 6x plus 3y plus 2.50 into this one plus 4 into this one, 2 into this one, 3. Objective function finding is here in this problem is length. So if you find the objective function and constraints, you got this constraint, and that constraints you have plotting and a graph. If you are finding, you will get the final answer. Did you understand, Anurag?
Yes, sir.
This is in this. If you have any doubt, please ask. Transportation problem also will be useful to use. Transportation problem in your textbook you are having 2-3 problems only. One example problem is there, and this problem 6th problem and 7th problem. Even yes, this yesterday I saw example number 11 is there. Example number 11 we have discussed yesterday through the video I have explained to you. Now this is like this. So with this we have completed the linear programming problems. Okay, is it clear? But here it is tedious job. You need to do it. Time consuming है. But can't